What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BBBY ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this asset has a decent movement to the upside, especially during just the most recent session. It went up, let me show it to you more thoroughly, from this swing low to its swing high for more than 137%. And it is in a matter of just 2 weeks. And I have to say that the most recent price action is really ugly, I have to say, because we have a huge gap on a daily time frame, and this movement to the upside was made on the pre-market hours. That's why on a daily time frame we have this massive red volume, and it went lower for about 27% to its current price. So what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news, and let's take a look what was the reason of this spike. First of all, let's start with the company profile and some of its numbers. Bed Bath & Beyond Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, operates a chain of retail stores. It operates through 2 segments: North American retail and institutional sales. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $1.55 billion. It is not the smallest company, I have to say. They have a revenue of $8.44 billion with a revenue growth of negative 13.22%. And they have a losses of $391.46 million. Their total cash position is $509.05 million. And their total debt is $3.06 billion. So this company fundamentally is not very stable, I have to say, because they don't have enough cash to cover their debts, and on top of that they don't have a free cash flow. Their free cash flow is negative number of $237.27 million. So they are losing money, and definitely this price action during the entire year of 2021 shows the negative sentiment from investors to this asset. And let's continue with this article. It was published on March the 7th, and it's titled "Bed Bath & Beyond shares jump after GameStop chairman reveals big stake, pushes turnaround." And let me show you the key points. Bed Bath & Beyond jumped after GameStop chairman Ryan Cohen revealed he had a nearly 10% stake in the retailer through his investment company RC Ventures. Cohen, who also co-founded online pet retailer Chewy, wrote in a letter to Bed Bath's board that he believes the retailer is struggling to reverse market share losses and to navigate supply chain woes. He said the company should explore selling itself to private equity and spinning off its Bye Baby chain. We will carefully review their letter and hope to engage constructively around the ideas they have put forth, Bed Bath said in a statement. So definitely, this disclosure of 10% stake of this iconic person from the GameStop company definitely pushed the price of this asset higher. And let me show you the retail sentiment. On stocktweets.com website, on Watchers section, Bed Bath & Beyond company is on the 6th place, and on the most active section it is on the 9th place, and on a trending section it is on the 6th place as well. So it has a decent momentum from retail community, and let me show you that if we take a look on appwisdom.io website, and this website tracks the activity on the Wall Street Bets community, and as you can see on the 2nd place we have BBBY ticker, and it skyrocketed for 1290 rows. And definitely this huge increase in mentions for more than 36,000 percent is really impressive, and that's why this company for now is on the 2nd place right after the SPY index and it has 729 mentions with 4,779 upvotes. And definitely this asset for now has the strongest support from retail community, and that's why I think we might have really mind-blowing volatility in upcoming sessions. So, and let's continue with the institutional owners of this company. And first of all, let me show you this chart. And this is the institutional ownership of BBBY ticker. And as you can see, a lot of investors closed its position with this asset, and definitely it is not the best sign for the company. And on top of that, if we'll take a look right here, we don't have major new positions with this asset. We have some red positions and a lot of reductions in positions of certain companies, and that's why I think we have a lot of bearish pressure overall, despite of its massive movement to the upside. And let's continue with the short interest of this asset. And let me show you first of all that according to this data, they have 650,000 shares available for shorting, and the short borrow fee rate is not so high. It is 0.85%, and definitely with these numbers we cannot rely on the short squeeze, because fundamentally it is quite tricky to push the price of asset higher, especially if you'll take a look on their total market cap, and they have, as I already mentioned, $1.55 billion in total market cap. This means it is extremely difficult to push the price higher to provoke a short squeeze. That's why we have to be very cautious. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you the bigger picture of this asset. And as you can see, from 2015 till 2020, it has consistently lower prices. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from swing high to swing low, as you can see, with this massive movement to the upside on February 2021, we hit the golden pocket pattern, and statistically it is the most probable range of trend reversal, and from this range we went lower. So let me show you that if I pull the same tool from this swing high to this swing low, as you can see, with its most recent movement we didn't hit the golden pocket pattern. But if we try to adjust this tool to this top, we also didn't hit it yet, but from this range we already hit this price point of roughly $30 and went lower. So I think we have to keep an eye on these ranges, because in my opinion, if the trend will continue and from the current range we will have next leg to the upside, definitely the price target will be at the range of about $39. And percentage-wise, it might be up to 77% of potential profits. But all in all, I have to say that if we switch to 4 hours time frame, we have this massive movement to the upside with the immediate decrease in its price. Definitely, it is not the best price action, and it is made artificially because of the news that I mentioned just a couple of minutes ago. That's why I think you have to be extremely cautious with this asset. And if you want to enter the position, just do it with your free money and never go all in with this type of extreme volatile asset, because you might lose the entire amount of your money. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!